Wednesday, 19th of March, 2024. The last full day of winter. Spring will come in tomorrow morning at, I think, 5:01 Eastern Daylight Savings Time. Got the moon in the sky. We're headed to work on a shed roof. I meant to get video of it yesterday. We got got two rafters temporarily set, two posts set. Well, not permanent. Just got them in the ground. The notch cut out of them. We'll get video of that when we get over there. I think we'll be doing some of our lattice work like we used to do with a bench on one side. Look at the deer. There are more deer around here than you can shake a stick at. One ran into the side of my 97 Cherokee and tore up the driver door and the passenger door on the driver's side. Replaced the driver's door. I hadn't replaced the passenger door yet. I've got it, but I haven't put it on. Still got to get the decal for the front, for the driver's door, and the correct pin striking. Posted much here lately. Maybe we'll be posting more for long. Let's see what the temperature is here in Jackson County. Did I say 18th? It's the 19th. I don't know what I said. But anyway, it's 19th. We downloaded a pedometer to the phone the day before yesterday, so we're keeping track of our steps. .43 and clear. 80 today. 56 tonight. $60 and 34 tomorrow night. 66 and 41 Friday night. We're going to put a tin roof on this shed. Not sure where we're going to get that from yet. Yeah, right back behind us back there, we were going the other way. Went around the curve and over the little hill, and that deer just plowed into us. She was running full speed. Turn this one off now, and then when we get over to the job, we will get more video and add it to this one. and Arcade are behind us now. We're headed towards Athens in Jackson County, Georgia. Speed limit, and as you can tell, no one cares. I think everywhere I go, the speed limit has become a suggestion. It's not to be taken seriously unless you actually see the police. Redstone Market up here, they're too expensive for me. Frank got a hamburger here the other day. He said it was very good. It's $10. No fries, nothing. But Southern Fried Rides back here about a couple of miles. They're going to have their open house this weekend. Barbecue, beer, and burnouts. I don't know if he's going to have beer this year or not. You may have to have a license for that. I noticed in his Facebook post he did say bring your own alcohol. Last year was a lot bigger than the year before. I didn't make it last year. Okay, well this is a little over 7 minutes. Let's go ahead and cut it off. We'll cut it back on when we get, maybe going through Watkinsville. Well, we don't go through Watkinsville anymore. We bypass Watkinsville. You can't get hardly through Watkinsville half the time. Hey, March 19th. Working on this shed roof. We've got a post temporarily set. A couple temporary rafters. Okay, it doesn't look like we got a lot done today, but I had one heck of a time getting this thing plumb and square for some reason. I don't know. Sometimes it goes good, sometimes it doesn't. But anyway, we finally got it plumb, square, level. Got the concrete in the post. These two, we got one more post we're going to put in the middle. I don't know if we're going to go ahead and do it next or wait till the end and do it. Not sure yet. But we got to get the tin. The screws for the tin, the flashing for that up there. I hadn't figured out quite what I'm going to do about that drip cap up there and that siding. I didn't do that right to start with. But anyway, we'll get that squared away. And I'm not sure when we'll finish. It may rain tomorrow. But anyway, we're making some progress.